It's called a clam.
Why does
Say
he,
clam.
why does he do clams?
He got the clam because I think he needs it. But there's another clam there. Yeah, see that? You see that? Yeah, that's a clam. Ice cream clam. No, not on your mouth. It's yucky. You're trying to clamp the cell phone? Huh? The what?
Need some
The cone. Oh, the cones are no longer available. It ran out because other kids got it, and then they will leave it out there, and then the ones who work here, they would get it back there. The other kids got it. We don't have cone already. What's that?
ice cream.
No, that's not ice cream. That's not ice cream. That's a vegetable. Is it a white carrot, I think? It's white carrot. Oh yeah, look, the cones. The cones are back. No, you got say thank you, Nitro. Very good. Very good, Nitro. You say thank you. You said thank you. Don't you want to play with the Legos? There's another ice cream cone here. Look. Look. It's over there. How are we going to get that out? Do you know?
Kids put that there, but how can they put that far?
Never mind. I'm not in. Look. Look. It's the toys are also they're also having trampoline. They're also having trampoline. They're also having fun, eh? They're also jumping.
Banana stop.
Why?
Stop there. Stop.
Why?
I can get it now. I can get the cone now. Go around.
Huh? No, you can't. Just don't mind. Don't mind it.
Why?
It's okay. Do you really want to get it out?
Yeah.
Okay, sige daw, try. You try. It's there. How about the other ones? The other ice creams will cry because their brother is already out there with you. But the brothers and sisters ice cream are still stuck over there.